Human beings have been eating eggs for a long fucking time. Badass cooking by Craig, best chef ever. We're gonna make eggs. We're gonna do eggs and toast today. And these aren't hard to make at all. And you can make your eggs like any way you want. I like to do a lot of boiled eggs, but we're not doing boiled eggs today. So today we're gonna do eggs, but we're gonna fry them in our frying pan. Now, there's different sizes of frying pans that you can use. And like, I've got a couple different ones here. I got like several. I'm just going with the little one because I'm only cooking for me. So first of all, we got to turn our burner on. Now, a lot of people say, oh, you don't want to do your eggs on high on your burner, right? But I'm a very big proponent of turning the motherfucker up to high. And then once it gets hot enough, you can always turn it down so it will cool down a little bit. That way, it's nice and hot real quick, and you don't got to wait around for anything to heat up. Well, I mean, you do. You got to wait around for the stove to heat up. Okay, so these are grade A large white eggs. It says a good source of protein, which eggs are. It says see nutritional information for cholesterol content. I don't really understand how cholesterol works because, like, there's good cholesterol and there's bad cholesterol. And, okay, so the burner's getting hot. Ah, fucking hot. And the reality is, human beings have been eating eggs for a long fucking time. Eat your damn eggs the way you like because there's a billion different ways you can make them. I prefer scrambled eggs, but I'm really not good at making scrambled eggs, like, at all. I don't understand how people are able to do it. That's getting really hot. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna turn my heat down about halfway because that's just like really, really hot. Ow. But anyways, yeah, just make your eggs however you want, you know. And I'm not somebody that's sitting here telling you, oh, this is the healthy way to do it or the unhealthy way. I'm just saying, listen to your own body. Everybody's body is different. Everybody's body has different needs, you know. So just listen to your own body, you know. Listen to your doctor. That's what you pay the asshole for. And, you know, just do your best. That's all any of us can do is our best. Anybody who expects you to do better than your best is a dick. They need to go dick off. So, yeah, listen to your body. Listen to your doctor. You know, just do your best. That's all you have to do. You do not have to do anything else. So, we're going to make these eggs. The first thing we need to do is we need to butter our pan. Now, is there a certain amount of... And the reason why we're doing this is so the eggs won't stick. Now, I have like these non-stick pans, but that shit never works. Things still stick. And I have found the easiest way to do this, and you don't even have to be artistic to do this. You just draw circles on the pan with the butter. Boom, 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 boom. Make sure you get the sides too. Get it real good and buttery. Okay, so then we're going to set this butter to the side. We're not putting it up because we're going to use it later on for our toast. Some people like to crack their eggs on the side of the skillet. Some people like to crack them together. It doesn't really matter. You want as few of the eggshells in your eggs as possible unless you like crunchy eggs. Crunchy eggs don't taste bad, but they feel really weird in your mouth. I bet eggshells have like a lot of fiber in them. Man, that shit'll clear you out. Okay, so we're going to crack our eggs together like that. And I got fucking egg yolk all over me. Okay, so then we pull apart the shell. All right, so we got one egg in. And then this one didn't fucking crack. So I'm going to do it on the side of the skillet. Fucking crack. Okay. And then we'll put the other one in there. I see people do this shit sometimes. Don't fucking do this. People will fucking like crack their eggs and they'll have the eggshell and they'll be like, oh, okay, well, I'm just going to set it right back here in the cart and, you know, where it's nice and convenient. That is unsanitary. That is how you get chicken disease. And now I got the shit all over my fucking hands and I can't open anything. Yeah, I'm a freak about egg yolk. Like, I don't want chicken disease. I never understand these motherfuckers that drink raw eggs. The fuck is wrong with you? All right, so we got our eggs going in there. They're cooking already. Okay, and while they're cooking, and see, like, there's the eggs in there. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our salt and pepper to them. Use our pink Himalayan salt because, you know, I don't know if there's a difference between this shit and regular salt. I know both of them taste salty. So we don't want too much. Okay, and now we're gonna do our peppercorn medley. All right. Now we got something going here. Okay, so we need our spatula, which I got my spatula. All right, and you gotta let them cook a little bit. How long do you let them cook? You do it until like they start to turn. I forget what kind of eggs these are called, but it's the kind where the yolk is runny. But yeah, you let it cook until it just starts to get crispy around the edges. You know, because you don't want to burn it, but you got to make sure that they cook all the way. We're just about there. You can flip it as many times as you want, and we're gonna go ahead and try and flip it now. If I can get the fucking spatula under the eggs. Okay, I did it. Yeah, eggs are a very good source of protein. A lot of people like to mix cheese with their eggs. I like that. It's good, but cheese can be very fattening, so I like to eat cheese, but only in certain ways. That way I'm not having too much of it. So, yeah, we've got that going. Now, while that's going, we're going to do something else because you can always do two things at once. So, I got my bread here, right? This is Sunbeam bread. I like just about any kind of bread, but I can't stand Walmart's Great Value bread. That stuff is fucking garbage. It's got a little girl eating some toast on it. It says made with whole grain white. It probably should say made with whole grain wheat, but then people wouldn't realize this is white bread. It says white bread made with 30% whole grain flour. Oh, okay. 30% whole grain flour. Okay, good source of calcium and vitamin D. All right, so my egg's going good. I'm gonna get a couple pieces of bread out of here, and I'm gonna pop them in the toaster, and then you push the button down. Most toasters have like a little dial thing to where you can have it like as brown as you want. This is one's turned up all the way. I don't know why. I'm just gonna do it like halfway. These eggs, they're turning out pretty good. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and flip it again. Like so. And I mean, I know it's like one thing, right? But it's two eggs. They combine. Now, I like doing this because I don't burn myself as much. Ow. Because, you know, I don't burn myself as much. I have a handle I can grab. I don't have to fuck with the oven or nothing. Why do they have to be the way they're being? All right, my toast is going, so I don't need this bread out anymore. All right, so there's my plate. It is Better Homes and Gardens. Man, this thing's fucking dirty. That's gross. So all my plates are dirty. So we're just gonna use a saucer. There's my eggs. Right? Look at that. Did you hear that? It went, ow, fuck, ow. Okay, so the toast is hot. I need to butter the toast, so I need a butter knife. There's my butter knife. Now, you could draw circles on your toast with the butter like you do with the pan. Then you're going to get like toast crumbs all over your butter. And like, I don't mind that sort of thing, but some people are weird about it. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and use the butter knife. And butter this side here. You probably have noticed that I have not turned the burner off on the stove yet. And that's because we're going to do one more thing. So we got bologna. And we're going to take this bologna and we're going to throw it right in the skillet. Like that. We're going to do two pieces. These won't combine with each other like the eggs. Fried bologna. Hell yeah. Man, I'm fucking hungry. Now, with your fried bologna, when you throw it in the pan, you're going to hear it and sizzle and all that shit. Right? And the center's going to like start to get a bubble in it. Okay, and that's because the heat is trying to like push the meat up. And if it does that, then the center isn't going to get cooked. In order to avoid the bubble, we're going to cut a little slice right in the center. We're not going to cut the bologna all the way across. We're just going to cut a little slice in the center, and that will allow the heat to escape through the bologna out into the atmosphere of your kitchen, and the bubble will go away somewhat. So more of your bologna gets fried. Bologna, I don't know. I think it might be an Italian word. I'm not positive on that, but I think it is. So not only are we making a delicious breakfast, but we are having a cultural breakfast. The kind of bologna I use is Oscar Mayer bologna. It says it's fully cooked, which obviously bologna is. This is original flavor. Wow, there's vitamin C in bologna. There's like 10% vitamin C. I didn't know that. And we're gonna flip the bologna over just like we flip the eggs over. All right, got that going. We put the bologna on. And the second side of the bologna, you don't really have to let cook as long because this motherfucker's been in a hot skillet already for a bit. So we're just gonna get that and throw it on the plate like so. Turn our burner off. So there you have it. Check it out. Fried bologna, toast, and eggs. Breakfast of champions, man. All right, so I'm out. Be sure to like and share and subscribe and all that jazz. And yeah, I'm fucking hungry. I'm gonna go eat. So yeah, love each other. This isn't the end. It's just the beginning.